Now we take another application from the same book, Hogg, McCain, Craig's book. That is application of question number 7.4.4 A part. The statement, consider the family of the PDFs, that is h of z theta, and that is from 0 to infinity, where the probability density function, that is h of z theta, that is equal to 1 over theta, and it range from 0 to theta. We have to show that the family is complete provided that the parameter space, that is of theta, from 0 to infinity. Actually, here there is little bit need to clearance that the range of the family, that is from 0 to infinity, and from that family we just pick a probability density function which belongs to that family, that is 1 over theta, and the range of this picked probability density function, that is from 0 to theta. तो जनरल रेंज पहले फैमिली की डिफाइन की गई 0 से इन्फिनिटी तक, लेकिन जो हम उसमें से मेंबर ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी डेंसिटी फंक्शन हमने चूज किया है उसकी रेंज है वो 0 से थीटा है. तो वी हैव टू शो दैट के दिस एक्चुअली इज ए कंप्लीट प्रोवाइडेड दैट it has range from 0 to theta. It has a range from 0 to infinity of that family, but the range of the PDF, that is from 0 to theta. So how we proceed for this one? To show that the given family that is h of z theta, and theta belong to its parametric space, is complete for any measurable function, let's say that is u of z, such that the same condition, that is expected value of u of z, that is equal to 0 for any theta, and this implies that u is equal to 0 almost surely. Now we are going to find the expected value of this one, that is from 0 to theta, because the range of our PDF, that is from 0 to theta, that is u of z, and that is 1 over theta dz, and that is equal to 0. And this implies that 1 over theta, 0 to theta, u of z dz, and that is equal to 0 for all theta greater than 0. So differentiating both sides, we get, when we are going to differentiate it, differentiating both sides with respect to theta, we get u of theta, that is equal to 0 for all theta, and hence the family is complete. Actually, that is what we want to show, and that can easily be find out from here by differentiating this. This is going to 0. तो जब आप इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो u of z जो है ये कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा u of theta में, क्योंकि इसकी रेंज थीटा है, और and that is equal to 0 for all theta, and that is what we actually want to show. So this family is complete.